Hello everyone, my name is Mark and I'm a digital marketer who is working with e-commerce brands and change the way the brands scale, change the way in creativity, change the way in email marketing, in paid ads, in ad creatives and help business owners to create a strong brand and make a unique storytelling. So here is the video on how Daniel Dalen changed the way uh, how e-commerce industry scale, just change the e-commerce industry. So with his own eyewear brand, Lense. So let's start this presentation and yeah, let's keep going. Who is Daniel Dalen? For people who don't know Daniel Dalen, he's a founder at ecom, at a company who is helping business owners in e-commerce with a supply chain and make delivery in 7, 10, 14 days as quick as possible worldwide. So he's a founder at Lense, his own eyewear brand, and he's creator of Off Movement. Probably you saw this video, the shorts, reels, and TikTok videos on different social platforms on how Daniel Dalen sharing his advices, sharing his lifestyle, entrepreneurial lifestyle, traveling in Hong Kong, in Shanghai, to Barcelona. He's having 181K subscribers on YouTube, plus followers, audience on Instagram, some profiles who making reels, and audience on TikTok and other platforms. So yeah, so here is the story from personal brand to industry influence in case of Daniel. Daniel wasn't just rebranding himself, he was reshaping how modern entrepreneurs connect with audiences. So he not just changed the ecom industry, but he changed the way how modern entrepreneurs connect with audience on YouTube with Off Movement and just sharing his lifestyle, his everyday life. He's traveling to Hong Kong, to Shanghai, his friends, his business partners. And in this case, you can understand how important the personal brand is and what can you do with personal brand and with your own audience. His transformation shows how storytelling, design, turn the personal brand into e-commerce efficient movement. And in this case, not only for his own brand Lens, but for his company, ecom, to fighting business owners who want to make better their supply chain. So there are two ways here: his own brand and his own company focusing on B2B way. So here is clear storytelling equal stronger trust. So there are three key points here. The first one is Daniel sharing his real journey. Instead of only showing end results like successful businesses, successful entrepreneurs, how probably you saw on YouTube, on Instagram, people who sharing their end results, sharing only success moments, cars, lifestyle, revenue numbers. And instead of that, he decided to share his behind the scenes process, his struggles, his advices, and just his everyday life, his late night works, and how the entrepreneur journey really looks like. So the second one is personal narrative. By grounding content in his actual experiences, he built relatability, making his audience feel like they're on the journey, on a real journey with him. And voice plus values. Instead of just flexing results, how I said previously on the first point, he shared failures, late nights, and important lessons with his own audience. This raw honesty made him relatable. By putting his own voice and values, Daniel turned a personal brand into a trust machine. So here's the core formula for his own Lense eyewear brand. It's a great product combined with a real, honest connection to the audience, sharing the entrepreneurial lifestyle like late night works, traveling, business challenges, partners, and personal advice. Together, these elements create the foundation of a powerful personal brand. An important factor, he can monetize his own product and his own personal brand and e-commerce brand and his own B2B business. So what exactly Daniel did in his last launch on Lense? The first one, he made new blue light glasses collection and named it 5 to 9. Probably you heard the phrase 9 to 5 represents people who are just working on their jobs and probably they don't like these jobs, and some of them try to change this way and try to build their own business, their own projects. So here is the beautiful name 5 to 9, which represents that you will work at night on your own project. So this collection inspired by the hours after work when the true entrepreneurs build their dreams. And each product reflects the authentic founder journey. So it's a pretty big movement, I think, for Lense brand. And here is the new way of how e-commerce industry changes. So, and here is the new way, what Daniel did previously on his last Lense launch. On the launch day, Daniel sharing live video from a warehouse, from his own warehouse, ecom flow, and showed how Lense glasses packed in live. So you can order your glasses and just see how these glasses were packed. Just talk with Daniel in live by chat on YouTube and see the statistics here from Shopify. And this live was 1 hour and 30 minutes. And in this 1 hour and 30 minutes results that Daniel got, it's a customer rate, 22%. It's a big amount. And this amount, 22%, is because of Daniel focusing on his personal brand, on building personal brand on YouTube and socials. He did 8K in revenue in 1 hour and 30 minutes. And average price for a product was about $90 for glasses. So pretty big amount, and for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and for his own brand with two collections, 001 and collection 925. And now I really want to share some my ideas that can help Daniel grow and his own e-commerce brand Lense grow. And you can take some lessons, some insights for yourself, for your own brand. And let's keep going. The first idea is create a short story for glasses on product page and use it in socials, paid ads, email marketing, YouTube, Instagram. So here is example what Daniel could do in his product page on next glasses collection. Make glasses collection with top phrases that Daniel uses in his own videos on YouTube. And the first one is, here is just example that I saw on YouTube and I really liked it. I was driving in Hong Kong and wanted to film with important message. Guys, just take a piece of paper and write down all the things that you want to achieve and start live and behave like you already have them. And this way helps a product be a more creative and make a pretty amazing, I think, storytelling for this product, for these glasses. So this story, it could be for one type of glasses, and for all collections, it could be 5 different phrases, advices from Daniel that people really like, and sell it with glasses on product pages, on socials, and paid ways to scale. The next new idea is collaborating with popular clothing brands like Nude Project from Bruno Casanova's MS Studios, Scuffers, and Dime. Some brands that Daniel can collaborate with and collaborate with his own Lense brand. And it helps to grow engagement from people who didn't follow him and increase engagement of his own Lense brand. So the new idea, the most important here is scaling. And scale organically on socials, on Instagram, on TikTok, not only for his personal brand, but for the Lense too. Of course, scale with paid ads and efficient, friendly email marketing flows and campaigns. Collaborate with top influencers and be face of a brand. Okay, Daniel, now he's a face of a brand, Lense. And here is just some moments that Daniel could improve in socials, scale more efficiently, organically, and with paid ads and email marketing. So the next new idea here is make exclusive VIP community for people who purchased, for example, all glass models on Lense. And this VIP community could include a general chat with all people who bought these glasses. And this community can include bonuses, early updates, like discounts or updates about new collections, and to unlock useful stuff of video on how to build a personal brand. It could be a small course or a short masterclass that could be prepared before, and people who get access to this community can watch this and make some insights, get some insights from this, and implement in their own brand stories. And the second point here is make events in every point in the world. Barcelona, Warsaw, London, New York, Japan, Tokyo, Hong Kong, everywhere, just everywhere, traveling around the world and become a worldwide public figure. And just continue sharing life with traveling, with hard decisions, hard moments, and sharing his behind the scenes building ecom brand. And that's all for Daniel Dalen's story. And important moment here is for all e-commerce business owners. If you really want to discover scaling strategy for your own e-commerce brand, if you want to change the way how you scale, if you don't want to pay marketing agencies for their services and don't get results, and you just want to make it in the most efficient way. So here is the link below for a free audit. We'll talk about your brand, your business, and how we can scale it in the most efficient way with marketing creativity, with unique brand storytelling, and paid ads, email marketing. We'll make a detailed strategy for you. So if you're really interested and if you like this video, please let me know in comments. I really appreciate that, and see you guys in the next one. It's been a pleasure to talk with you.